Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. So today which topic we are going to see, right? So we will see reverse function for list. Alright, as we are continuing list from last some videos, we will continue this and we will try to cover it in detail, right? So today we will see how reverse function work for list. Alright. So it reverses the existing list in place. All right. So I have already created some stuff. So we will end this video very shortly. All right. So I'm taking this list one variable and passing one particular list, which is containing some string values, just like AI, Python, machine, data, artificial learning, science, intelligence. And we are simply saying that list one variable means whichever variable wherever you are storing your list that dot reverse, and we are simply passing this parenthesis and we are printing that variable. Let's check out. Yeah, this is how it will reverse our list. All right, so whenever you want to simply reverse your list, you will use this dot reverse function, but you have to keep in mind you have to use this parenthesis also. So we will take one simple example, that is I have passed over here A to I and I made every character as a string and I tried to reverse it. So we'll hit on run. See, it is making reverse and it is giving us output in reverse manner. Likewise, does we have any built-in function for reversing the list in Python? Yeah, we does. We do have this reversed function for reversing the list. So what we are doing, I have taken same variable name, I have kept same list over here, and in second variable I'm simply saying reversed. In parenthesis I'm passing the variable name, that is list one, which is containing our list, right? And over here I'm printing first variable, that is list 1, and second variable, that is list 2. Let's execute it. So see, whenever you are simply printing list 1, it will give this output us, right? But for list 2, why it is not giving output, right? As I already told you guys, pardon me over here, as I already told you, reverse means in list functions are not callable, right? So that's why it is giving us over here its object, right? So what you have to do, you have to pass over here one parenthesis and you have to write over here list. So then and then only it will gives us list from that particular object. So we will hit on run button. See, this is how it will work and you are able to see reversed list. So we will try again with simple example with this Python built-in function, that is reversed. All right, so we are simply saying list2 equals to reversed of list1 and we are printing list2. Let's check it. See, it is again giving us object. So whenever you want it in the form of list, you have to make sure that you are say means calling over here list of that object. All right, and hit on run button. So see, this is how it will work for you. It will give you reversed output of that particular list. Hope you have learned here something. All right, so it is basically about reverse function for list. This is dot reverse is a function for this list, but in Python we are having built-in functions that is nothing but reversed. And this is how we can reverse our list, because in sometimes this is also means interview questions. Maybe interviewer will ask you to reverse list. So this is how in simple way you can able to reverse your list. So this over here we will end for today, and see you soon in next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe, and try to cover many more example at your own end, and try to learn in easy way. All right, see you soon. Bye bye, take care.